welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today we will be doing an everyday makeup tutorial using minimum makeup products. I do understand not everybody likes to put full-on makeup, full-on foundation on a daily basis, and yes, I am one of them. So I am going to show you in this video today how to look put together, refreshed, still feel fabulous with minimum makeup. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video, and watch till the end.
Okay, so to start off with, make sure that your face is moisturized properly. During the winter times, my skin is really dry, so I ensure I drink a lot of water, keep hydrated, exfoliate my face, and then apply any kind of foundation or powder or anything like that. So especially for today's video, we will not be using foundation and we'll only be working with compact powder. So it's really important to make sure that your face is moisturized properly. So the very first product which we will be applying on our face is a concealer. So make sure that this concealer which you're applying on your face is definitely the shade of your foundation. And what we're going to do, we're just going to apply it around our eye areas, cover all those dark circles, cover the blemishes if you have. I have a lot of pimple scars, so I am applying it the areas where I need the most coverage. So I'm just applying it around my face to hide redness and blemishes. Who has time in the morning to put on a full glam of makeup and stay home? I'm pretty sure nobody does that. However, in today's video, we are going to use minimum makeup to look refreshed and feel confident. So the second product which we will be using today is a compact powder, and for that I'm using the compact powder from Morphe, and I am going to use a powder brush, apply a little bit of powder on, and I'm going to dab it on my skin. Usually needs a lot of work due to a lot of acne scars, so before I never thought that I would be able to make do with only powder to look pretty and gorgeous and get that coverage. However, recently I've discovered this trick where you apply the moisturizer on your skin, and right after that you can just dab the compact powder on your skin, and it definitely gives a flawless coverage. Try it, let me know if it worked for you and if you liked it. Next thing we're going to focus on are brows, and this is one of the makeup products which I cannot ever skip. If I had a choice to skip one item from the whole makeup routine, I won't be able to give this product up. For that, I'm using the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Pencil, and it's in the shade. I will actually note down all the product description in the description box below, so you guys are able to go and basically check it out. Of course, we are not going to finish the makeup look without giving definition to our face, and for that I am using the bronzer from Morphe. I'm going to use a bronzer brush to apply the product in the hollows of my cheeks, and I will also be using it as an eyeshadow and give some definition to the eyes. So I'm going to apply some product on an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to gently dab it all over my eyelids. Today is from Sephora. It's called High Precision in the shade Dark Black, and we're gonna finish our eyes. You could either use a mascara Or for me personally, I love applying lashes, so I'll be applying lashes. But if you're not a lash girl and you feel like you're staying home and you don't need it, so you can apply a mascara instead. You guys are aware that I'm trying to make these products multi-purpose and use as minimum product as possible to create this look. So I'm using the brow pencil to underline my lower lash line so I can get that smoky look. If I'm going for more of a natural look, I like to keep the makeup look for my lip really bold. So today I will be using this pink shade from Mellow Cosmetics and I am absolutely loving this shade. If you guys haven't tried Mellow Cosmetics, I absolutely love their eyeshadow palettes and their lip shades. I haven't used anything else, but these two products are amazing, so definitely check them out and let me know if you love it. So there you go guys, I used 6 makeup products to create this stunning look, and I transformed that makeup into a nighttime look by applying more of a bold eyeshadow and changing the lip color. And I applied a little bit of highlighter too, just to give my skin a glowy touch. So guys, if you like the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time or whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.